Ayan guys, tuturuan daw ako ni Bunso guys kasi hindi ko talaga alam tong chess. Yung mga moves ng bawat ano. Okay, tell me.
So,
This one first. This one, I want this one first. What this?
okay guys, this one, it can only go straight. Like
Yeah.
this.
What's this? It's a
It's a castle.
castle?
It's a castle. And it can only go straight like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
About this one.
This one is a horse.
It's a horse.
It can only go like a L.
L?
Like
Okay.
it could go upside down L. It can go a regular L like this. It could go, but it cannot go. It could do like this. You can do like that, and you can do it like a regular L like this.
Okay. And about this? Ano to?
Wait.
Ano yan?
So, and this one,
Oh.
this one you can only do white, and this one you can only do black.
Okay. And
This one
that one?
is the king. You can only move once. If
Once.
somebody says checkmate, the king cannot run anywhere. So he has to run away from the persons that try to eat him.
Wow.
One. And then if they eat the king, you win. And the queen could do any of them. They could do this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one.
Oh, naku, ang hirap pala tandaan lahat. Ang dami palang moves ng bawat pieces.
So, but these ones are the same ones as these ones. These ones are the same ones as these ones.
Oh, yeah.
And the pawn, they can only do this. They could do that, or they could do that, and they could do.
Wow.
So let's
Galing ng
start
aking
playing.
teacher, guys.
Let's start playing chess.
Let's start playing.